Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to add product categories inside of your menu in WooCommerce WordPress. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there guys, I will need you to go to plugins, add new, and search for WooCommerce. So just type it over here and then click enter, and it will be appeared in your list over here. Now click on install now, then click on active it. After that, go to install plugins and search for active and make sure that WooCommerce is actually activated. If not, just go back to all and search for it in here. Now, after that, I just need you to refresh this page and make sure that everything is good. Now, to be able to actually add the categories of your products, so here's my products, and they have like so many categories. So how can I actually make like this categories section in my menu? It's pretty simple. So as you can see here, this is an uncategorized category that I have in my categories. So what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Go to my website, so you visit site, and let me just close this. And from here, guys, I will need you to click on customize and then go to menus, create a new menu, let's name it categories, so something like that, categories, primary menu, and click on next. After that, let's click on add items, and here go to categories or products categories, and that's what you have to do is actually add them over here. So uncategorized technology and technology, yeah, so these three, and here we go. Let's save them. So here we go, publish. And as you can see here, if I click on whatever I click from these, they will take me to one of the categories that I have created for my products. So yeah guys, that's how you can create your products categories and put them in the menu. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.